Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you what comes in the September box from Sparkle Supplies UK for their VIP boxes. As you can see, it's still sealed. I haven't actually looked myself what is in here. Let me just grab some scissors to get into it. So these are really good boxes if you're trying to build your collection, or if you've even got a big collection like me and you just want a nice surprise every month. They're not very expensive, they're £12.99. You get a just get the card out of the packaging. You get a good deal with them because you get more in the box than how much you pay for them, basically, especially with my 15% off discount code if you add that on as well. Here's all the information for this brand in case you haven't heard of it before, although I'm pretty sure if you follow me by now then you probably have because it's all over my channel. But anyway, so here is September's box. Let's have a look what is in here. So you get the info about each individual product. So this is everything that's in the box. This is how much it will be when it is on sale, which will be the 7th of November. And it all comes to £13.25. That's without using my 15% discount code. No, sorry, that's complete rubbish. That's how much it all comes to. It's £12.99 for the box without using my discount code. So if you use that, you'll obviously get more money off, which means you get even more value for your money. And you also get the products a whole month. Is it 1 month? 2 months. 2 months before they go on actual general release. So that's exciting. Anyway, let's get into it instead of me chewing your ear off. So first things first, we've got a glitter called Blushed, and it is a chunky glitter. You can see here it's got the large hexes. It's got medium hexes and fine glitter. It's absolutely beautiful. And then next up we've got a foil which is called Bird Song. Definitely don't have any foils with birds on, so this is definitely one I don't already have, which is hard to come by nowadays because I do have a lot of foils. Look how cute that is. It's got butterflies, flowers, it's got birds. It goes very well with my thumb colour. But yeah, look at those birds. They're so different. I don't have anything like this. I absolutely love this flower. Obviously not on my blue, but that is beautiful. So that's the foil you get. We've got another glitter here which is called Cheeky. Yeah, I was looking at something else that I was looking at. It's called Cheeky and it's got so many different colours in there. It's absolutely beautiful. Very different actually. I would never think to put these colours together, but that really goes. I love the teal colour that's in there. And then we've got 3 potted products. You always get an array with these boxes, so you'll always get like different types of nail art to make sure that you're getting quite a variety of different things. So this is called Promises. This is a mylar, as you can see. It's a beautiful coloured one as well. It's like purple and pink two-tone. That is absolutely stunning. Love that. And then we've got, what's this? Glammed, which is a Sparkle Supplies UK unique mix of glitter, which means you can't get the glitter anywhere else because it is created by Sparkle Supplies UK. It's got little butterflies in it. I'm not sure if you can see, but they're up here. I think there's one in the lid as well down here, look. And some fine iridescent pink glitter. So that would be £2.49 if you were to buy it individually. This one would be £2.99. Both of these glitters, oh no, this glitter would be £1.99 and this one would be £2.99. And then the foils, like all foils on the website, I'm pretty sure they're all 80p. So they don't really vary because it's a metre of foil. It doesn't really make a difference which foil it is, does it? So this is called QB and this would be £1.99. And this is lots and lots of little squares in different sizes. That is really cool. So that is everything you get in this box. So we've got the squares, shapes, we've got the glitter, the mylar, we've got chunky, we've got 2 more chunky glitters here, and then we've also got a stretch of foil as well. So it's definitely worth grabbing these boxes. They are such good value for money. They come to your door every month. You can sign up for a subscription, so you don't have to worry about remembering to order them every month. And yeah, it's just a nice little surprise. It's only like a little tidgy box, so it fits 3 letterbox. You don't have to be in when it's delivered, which is handy. So yeah, definitely worth it. And like I said, I've got a 15% discount code. Hopefully I'll remember to pop it up here in the corner of the video, but I don't always remember to do that, I'm not gonna lie. It depends how soon I have time to edit, not edit, but just breathe, how soon I have time to get this video up after filming it, because if I do it straight away I'll remember, but if I don't I usually forget because I don't listen to the video while I'm editing it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I'll be back soon with another one. Bye.